Welcome to this video explaining how to import your work breakdown structure, or WBS, and costs into ECOS, the easier costing software designed to help you prepare your price proposals in detail for an easier tender. In this video, we will guide you through downloading the Excel templates, completing them correctly, and importing your data into ECOS. In your role as bid manager, you can import an Excel file to create or complete your WBS, as long as it follows the required template. Please note that only new lines can be imported. If you include a line for a node that already exists in your WBS, it will cause the import to fail. To start this process, click on the three dots next to your WBS tree title from your price proposal and select Import WBS. Download the template. To complete your WBS, enter the following information for each node. Parent WBS number. Enter the WBS number of the parent node. For a node under a phase, use the corresponding phase number. WBS number. This must be unique, follow a logical sequence, and not exceed 20 characters. Title. Enter the title you wish to give the node, with a maximum of 80 characters. Node type. Enter RU for rollup, PT for product tree, or WP for work package. Taxonomy. For PT or WP nodes, refer to the classification file available on the ECOS help page. Start and end dates. Only for WP nodes. Enter these dates using the format date, month, and year. Continue entering all nodes in the Excel file. Once complete, upload your Excel file to ECOS by selecting it and clicking on Import. Your WBS is now imported, and you can move on to entering your costs. Make sure that a rates form has been assigned to your price proposal. For guidance on this, refer to the How to Prepare a Price Proposal Part 1 video. To import costs, click on the three dots next to your WBS tree title again and select Import WP's Costs. Then, download the template. You need to complete the Excel file using the following rules. For each cost, you must provide the WBS number, the cost type, LAB, ODC, ISF, CON, or CWAC, the rate code matching those defined in your rates form, the amount, and the start and end dates. Then, depending on the cost type, additional information may be required. For further details, please refer to the manual Preparing a Price Proposal, Part 2. Once all your costs have been entered, import the file into ECOS. Choose whether to replace existing costs, overwriting any that are already present, or to append new costs. Then click on Import. Your costs are now uploaded, and you can review both individual WP totals and the overall proposal value. During this video, we have explored how to complete and import your work breakdown structure and your costs in ECOS. For further information, please refer to the manuals and other videos available by clicking on Help on the ECOS homepage. Thank you for your time and for watching this video.